So, hello, second form. This is another quick video for weather. So this one is more about high air pressure and the weather that we get associated with that. So we can see that the air has been flowing out from our area of low pressure. Now when that happens, eventually that air is going to start to descend because it's cooler air, which means it's increasing in density. So it's more dense, so it starts to descend. And when it descends, that cold air, starts to warm up. And as it descends, it gains, roughly speaking, about 1 degree centigrade every 100 meters, although that is not always the case. And that means that any water that was here turns back into water vapor, so it evaporates. So you have this air that has water vapor in it, but because the air is descending, we can't get clouds. So we're left with very, very clear skies. And eventually that air will hit the ground and it will get kind of pushed out. And because this air is all pushing down, this creates what we call an area of high air pressure down at ground level. Okay, and usually on a weather map, it's depicted with a little H in the middle of a circle like that. Now, in terms of our weather, well, all year round, we would get clear skies because of this, because the air is descending. So we can't get any clouds. And we also have relatively calm conditions. So it's not hugely sort of windy, it's relatively calm. Now in the winter, no clouds means actually our temperatures get colder because the day is shorter. So during the night, we lose a lot of heat energy and we don't get as much sunlight during the day to heat ourselves back up. And it's fairly common. Because the ground is cold, we would get fog because that air descending with water vapor in it creates sort of mist and fog at ground level. And if it's really, really cold, it might even cause that to freeze as it hits the ground, which creates the frost. In the summer though, because our days are longer, when we don't have our clouds in the sky, that means the sun can shine all day, which usually results in us having a bit of a heat wave and the temperatures generally get a bit warmer.